Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back. And I'm shooting in the lab right now. I just made about 40 or so bottles of the rosewater moisturizer along with the refills. Remember, when you buy the bundles, you save money. So get the rose quartz today. I have the link down below so you can get your rosewater moisturizer with the continuous mist bottle along with a 10-ounce refill for when you run out. Store it in the fridge until you're ready. Sorry if the lighting is kind of harsh. I am shooting this kind of late in the evening, but next time I'll shoot earlier. I want you guys to see some behind the scenes at Love, Light Locs. So today I want to talk about lock repair. So historically, whenever I get a weak spot or a thinning spot, previously I would put a knot on that spot or a series of knots on that spot to help it feel secure. That's probably the worst solution of all. Granted, it works, but now you have a knot in your locks. The second option that I would do is go for a trim, and I'm okay with that because I'm at a length where I'm not feeling like I'm gonna lose any length from trimming here or there, but I do know that was not so easy when my locks were much shorter, so no judgment if you are against trimming your weak spots, okay? I've been there. And the last solution, which I think might be the best solution, but it also can be the hardest solution, is to crochet. Now this is something that I've been avoiding for a really long time. Granted, I do have crochet needles on my shop for the longest. I was really, I guess I just wasn't good at it. I wasn't good at it myself, but I decided this weekend that I was going to get good at it, and it didn't take me very long because one thing that I do like to do is watch locticians on social media do hair, and over time, watching them use the needle, I started to really understand the mechanism of it all. So it's a very tiny hook. If you're not familiar, it's a very tiny hook here. And what you're doing is you're entering the lock, you're grabbing the loose hairs, and you're pulling it into the lock. And what that does, after repetition of doing that act, it creates a stronger lock in that location. I did repair pretty much all the weak spots that I found, but I do have this one lock here that I'm going to work on now. I'm going to get close. I'm not going to even attempt to save the ends here. I'm not sure if you can see how thin that is, but you see how it's folding right there? It's very thin and weak right there. So that's what I'm going to be working on. So I'm going to start by bunching the hair up together. Now, you may see the locticians who do this on social media. They do it really fast, and I'm not trying to show off. I'm not going to act like I got it like that. But what I find that helps is by rolling the hair between my fingers here, my thumb and my middle, as I'm hooking the hair, or crocheting, I should say. And I did that for about, I don't know, 10 seconds just now, and I already feel it firmer. But I can keep going because I see it's still weak right here. So I'm going to do that again right at that point. And I know this is not really the easiest for you to see, so I apologize for that. But I still want to make sure that you guys see me doing it. Like, it's hard to really explain, well, at least for me, at least that's where I am with my lock repair abilities. Okay, now it's a lot more firm. And truly, I probably could do it throughout the length of this, but again, I'm not at that point where I need to save every little inch. I'm probably gonna trim it right here. I'll probably trim it right here, but I do see more that I want to save. So I'm going to try to save the rest of this too, where it's a little transparent and weak. Do you see where it's folding? I'm gonna see if I can save that right now. Again, I'm gonna bunch it up between my fingers. Right there, it's bunched up right here. I'm gonna take the needle and roll it as I hook the hairs into the center of the lock. Okay, after about, I don't know, 10 passes, took it out, and it's more firm right in that area. I still see it's like it's not quite secure yet, so I'm gonna do it some more. This is not a tutorial. I'm just trying to explain the mechanism behind how this works. I want to explain just like the logic behind how it works, because I know sometimes people don't really understand how crocheting helps to repair lock. Like, how is it even possible? And you might be able to see right there, now it's nice and tight. So as I come across weak locks, I will be able to practice using the crochet needle more and more. Now my back hurts. I was just bending over the table to get that close up. Now my back hurts. Ooh, I am getting old. Speaking of birthdays, my birthday is around the corner. Okay, now I need to do some stretches, all right? Thank you so much for watching. Again, as usual, hit up KeishaCharmaine.com and stock up on your rose water bundle, as well as all of your other lock hair supplies and needs. That would be a great birthday gift. Well, it's really for you and your locks, but I'd appreciate it though. If you found this video helpful at all, please leave me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If you made it to the end of the video, leave me a comment letting me know what's your favorite love song, okay? Happy belated Valentine's Day. Follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine, at Light Locs. Follow me on TikTok, and all that good stuff, all right? Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.